back in London, and this week I'm literally just packing, getting ready to move next week, getting back on eating properly and cooking my own meals, because in Thailand we eat out every day. So that whole week will just be me getting my shit together. I'm about to head to the gym. It's a leg day today. Squats, Bulgarians. I'm gonna try mini Tenzing kind today. My mission right now: 1, go to the post office. 2, do a quick grocery shop. You want this?
No, I don't need it. Okay. Maybe put it in the maybe. Okay, never mind. Now I don't need it.
Something I started doing recently is taking magnesium supplements, because I've noticed that when I take them, I am less sore throughout the week when I work out. According to Washington Post, magnesium contributes to flexibility and helps to prevent injury by loosening tight muscles. Without enough magnesium, muscles can't relax properly, possibly causing cramps. Low magnesium can create a buildup of lactic acid, known to cause post-workout pain and tightness. If you take magnesium, it will make your post-workout muscle soreness a little bit better. It is Thursday today, and I'm supposed to move out on Sunday, and I have not started packing. So today is going to be a packing mission, but first I'm going to Notting Hill to get my nails done. If you lose and you stand Is it true you actually think of me as less than you? Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting. I'm back. I actually ended up getting quite a lot of things. I did actually end up getting this dress. It was really cute. I couldn't help it. It was from Love Shack Fancy. I also did end up getting this corset It looked good on me, and corsets are really hard to find, so I was like, why not? I also ended up getting this skirt. And I actually ended up getting this bag. I know it's like very random, it's from Radley, but like it's kind of cute. You know, I'm starting to think that this whole moving process is going to make me a minimalist, because I really don't need most of the stuff that I have. Like, it's just sort of there, you know, like even for decoration purposes, it's not necessary. Here is the progress. Here is my dinner. It is chicken pesto pasta with Parmesan cheese, garlic, and tomatoes. Today has been one of the most exhausting days of my life. I don't think I've properly sat down today. So the rest of the evening, I'm just going to watch the Edge of 17 and eat protein bar and relax, because I haven't done that yet. You'll come to find that I eat this every day. It's my favorite thing in the world. I have my recipe on TikTok if you wanted to go check it out. One more day until I move. So I'm moving tomorrow. The movers are coming between 10 and 1. And I have 20 boxes to move down 4 flights of stairs. A lift is involved, but I still have to carry it to the lift and then carry it out of the lift, and some of these boxes are so heavy, so that will be a workout in itself.
Is it true? You actually think of me as...
Good morning. It is the morning that I move. I am waiting for the movers. I am all packed. I'm gonna do a run through the apartment and see how it is all empty. Here's my room. I am leaving all those books behind because I couldn't manage to sell them. The bathroom. Minette's room. A lovely kitchen. Anya's room. I'm gonna have to carry all these boxes down the stairs. Well, into the lift, out of the lift, into the van, out of the van, up the attic. So we'll see how that goes. This is not just the only ones I'm taking downstairs. I'm also taking these ones. So that will be really fun. I have 10 minutes left on the train, so I'm just gonna take this time to rest because it's been a crazy morning. You know, I was in such a rush this morning that I didn't even have a time to like pause and like reminisce in the apartment and really grasp my mind around the fact that it was my last time there. Even pause and appreciate the memories I made at the apartment. And that sounds so corny, but those 2 years went so quickly and we got so lucky with the apartment. It was an amazing location, walking distance to everything. Obviously I lived with my best friend, so you can't beat living with your best friend. I'm going to live with my mum for a week, 2 if I don't find a place quick enough, but I'm hoping just a week, and then I'll be back living in London. So I've been back home for like 5 hours and I'm just preparing my mum some strawberries and prosecco. I'm unpacking a little bit, but honestly the rest of the day will just be me unpacking and trying to find a flat in London, which is a mission in itself. Like, every day I'm looking and there's a lot of nice places, but a lot of people also don't respond, or they go really quickly, or there's like something off, like the location or the street or the people.